Welcome to my presentation. I am Firoz Haidar from the Taylor's University, Malaysia. I am presenting on behalf of Rifat Ahmed Oni. This is a collaboration work with Stanford University, Australian National University, Multimedia University, Malaysia. My presentation title is Graphiphoid Photonic Crystal Fiber-based Plasmonic Sensor for Multi-Analyte Detection. This is the content of my presentation. My talk will cover background, reputed PCI-based space sensors, motivation and applications, mode multiplex sensor design, results, conclusion, acknowledgement. First of all is background. Optical fiber-based sensors are used widely in the sensing application due to fast response, high sensitivity, and broad detection range. Most common optical sensing techniques are fiber bug grating, modal interferometer, micro ring resonator, surface plasmon resonance. Prism-based SPR sensor technique is used widely, but the main problems are complex and bulky system, limited analysis throughput, limited remote sensing applications. Solution of prism-based plasmonic sensor is photonic crystal fiber-based surface plasmon sensing technique. PCI-based SPR sensor is a combination of photonic crystal fiber technology and plasmonic science. Photonic crystal fiber consists of a periodic micron size air holes. Holes can be arranged in cladding by 60 degree, 45 degree, 36 degree, even in freestyle. Properties of PCI-based space sensor can be changed by changing the size and location of air holes. SPR phenomena happen when transverse magnetic light hits the thin metal layer, and at a certain wavelength, the value of real effective index of core mode and SPP mode completely match together. Also, at this wavelength, maximum energy transfer core mode to SPP mode. As a result, a sharp loss peak appears, which shifts with the increase of analyte refractive index. That shift helps to detect unknown analytes. Reputed PCI-based SPR sensor. To date, a lot of PCI-based SPR sensors have been reported. Most of them are able to detect only one or two analytes simultaneously. For example, this sensor can detect two analytes simultaneously in the sensing range of 1.33 to 1.36. Also shows a very low wavelength sensitivity for channel 1 2500 nanometer per refractive index unit, and for channel 2 3083 nanometer per refractive index unit. This, this sensor can detect a single analyte at a time in the detection range of 1.32 to 1.40 and shows a very low sensitivity, wavelength sensitivity 23,000 nanometer per refractive index. Micro slotted based sensor can detect maximum two analytes simultaneously in the sensing range of 1.36. Channel 1 shows 4600 nanometer per refractive index. Channel 2 shows 2300 nanometer per refractive index. The main problems of reported PCI-based space sensor are low sensing response and limited to detect only one or two analytes simultaneously. Solution is mode multiplex sensor. Motivation and application. Why mode multiplex PCF sensor? In the mode multiplex PCF sensor, transmit light separate to the channel at different wavelengths in the same fiber. Also able to multiplex light into different mode efficiently. Pros are able to multi-analyte detection simultaneously, fast detection, cost effective, possible to avoid false positive response. This is the application of a mode multiplex PCF sensor. The sensor can be used for medical diagnostic, bioimaging, environmental monitoring, chemical sensing, etc. Mode multiplex sensor design. We have proposed and numerically investigated a mode multiplex PCF sensor. Figure 1a shows the cross-section view of the design Graphiquid PCF sensor, and B shows the ACM of the fabricated PCF. We have imported the ACM into the console to investigate the sensing performance, which provides more accurate results. The sensor parameters are piece size 4.1 micrometer, air hole diameter 3.16 micrometer, and Graphiquid dice height 7.1 micrometer and Graphiquid dice width 7.06 micrometer. A 40 nm gold layer is used to create the analyte sensing channel. Figure C shows the working mechanism of the proposed mode multiplex sensor. The proposed sensor works based on both X and Y polarization mode. The first channel and third channel shows response in Y polarized mode, and second channel shows response in X polarized mode. Figure 2 shows the electric field distribution of the sensor. First row shows the core mode and second row shows the SPP mode, where analyte RI 1.35, 1.38 and 1.40 represents the RI of first, second and third channel respectively. Figure 3a shows the phase matching condition for first, first channel RI of 1.35 and third channel RI of 1.40 in the Y polarized mode. At the phase matching condition of RI 1.35 and 1.40, maximum energy transfer core to SPP mode in Y polarized mode and minimum energy transfer in X polarized mode. Inside of the figure, it is mentioned by omega plus and omega minus. Omega plus indicate the maximum energy and omega minus indicate the minimum energy. Same scenario also shows in the figure B for analyte Ri of 1.38 in the Y polarized mode. This is happened due to the mode multiplex phenomena. Figure 3c shows the birefringence properties of the proposed sensor. The real effective index of X and Y polarized mode are very close. In this case, at the resonant wavelength of analyte Ri, the difference between real effective index below increases, which leads three peaks in the birefringence curve. To show simultaneously multi-analyte detection, we have divided the sensing range into three groups for infiltrating the three channels. Also, analyte can throw the channels randomly. For first channel, analyte Ri varied 1.33 to 1.35. For second channel, Ri varied 1.37 to 1.39, and for third channel Ri varied from 1.40 to 1.42. Figure 4a and b shows the loss spectra with the variation of analyte Ri for Y and X polarized mode. The sensor shows maximum wavelength sensitivity for third channel of 18,000 nanometer per refractive index unit and minimum for first channel 2000 nanometer per refractive index unit. Figure 5 shows the polynomial fitting of resonant wavelength where first and second channel fitting of R square equal to 0.99 and third channel fitting of R square equal to 0.98 respectively, and this is very close to 1, which indicate a very good sensing response. Figure B and C shows the amplitude sensitivity for first, second and third channel. The sensor shows maximum amplitude sensitivity of for the third channel of 427 refractive unit. Also, we have investigated the sensing effect when all the channels are infiltrated by the same analytes Ri 1.33, 1.38, 1.40 respectively. It seems that sensor shows the same response when channels are filled by different analytes, only change the loss spectra. As a result, instead of testing 3 times a sample to avoid the false positive response, the proposed sensor can detect at the same time, which is fast and cost effective. Conclusion: we introduced a mode multiplex dark field PCF sensor which can detect maximum 3 analytes simultaneously in the sensing range of Ri of 1.33 to 1.42. The sensor shows the maximum wavelength and amplitude sensitivity of 18,000 nanometer per refractive index unit and 427 refractive index unit. I want to thank all of my co-authors. Thank you. Question please.